Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As a lot of you know, this is my very first video. So towards the end, it'd be amazing if you guys can subscribe, liking it, or even just leaving a comment. Like, I'm perfectly fine with comments. Just on what I could do better or what you guys think I did great. That'd be amazing. And before I do get started too, I do want to let you guys know this is my routine. So by any means, you guys can change it up. You guys don't have to get these products. This is what works best for my skin. And always start with a clean face, guys. And you guys will also notice I tend to talk with my hands a lot, so I call them jazz hands. I'll randomly, I don't even know what I'm doing with my hands, but I'll put them away. But anyways, let's get started. We're gonna start with the Mario Badescu facial spray. This works wonderful. If you don't have this is the best moisturizer. I like to leave it on at night. I tend to have some dry spots, but oily. Combination of both. So all I do is literally 2 sprays in an X form, and I put my face in it because you can't be wasting no product, guys. Leave it in. Alrighty, when it comes to primer, eyeshadow primer, it's a must. It eliminates any creasing, it sticks on longer, the colors seem a lot more vibrant, and you guys will notice as well. So what I use is the Urban Decay. The Urban Decay, I want to say, is the OG. It does tend to be a little expensive, so if you're balling on a budget, the dupe for it is the NYX Glitter Primer. So what you want to do is just apply normally onto your eyelids. I do tend to put it down below, so it doesn't crease in here as well. I tend to laugh a lot, so you guys will notice that. And as weird as it may sound, we're gonna use tape. I don't like the fallouts coming down below and then having to clean them up with a baby wipe, because I'm lazy that way. So all I'm gonna do is grab a little piece. The way you're gonna use that tape is your waterline right here. When you tilt your head up, it continues to slightly go up towards your eyebrow. So you wanna kinda align it with that. So place it on like so. If you do it too short, your eye's gonna look small. And of course, if you do it down to below, it's gonna make your eye shape look really weird. Unless you like the dramatic look, it does have your eyeshadow go out further. So you can always do that as well. Because it is my first ever video, I'm just gonna do a soft glam for today. I am using the Morphe palette in 35F right here. And I know it's not focusing, but I promise it's the 35. And I do like coordinating my eyeshadows with my outfits. So today we're gonna be using the e.l.f. blending brush. And we're also gonna use this matte color right here, the second one to the right. Now when it comes to blending, all you wanna do is like a sweeping method. I call it the windshield, just because it goes back and forth. Blending is a must, guys, so please make sure you're blending your colors out. And because you do have tape, you don't have to worry about any fallout or having to clean it up later. You may have to clean it up a little bit right here, but that's okay, that's easy. So just keep swiping. And the next color that we're going to be using is this more of a deeper brown all the way on the left side of the Morphe palette. I don't know the names of it, so excuse me. Before you continue, I am using the same brush. The only thing that I'm changing is a blank slate. I don't know what brand this is. Beauty Concepts. It's a brush color swap pad. All you do, grab it and you swap it, and it takes off all the color. And like I said, so I am blending it outwards, and I'm doing it more towards the center of my eyelid and just bringing it out as well. Now when it comes to glitters, what I do like to do is you can either use your fingertips, which honestly, it's my go-to method. You press it on and it sticks better, but you can also use a NYX glitter primer and then apply it. But today we're not gonna get that fancy, so I'm just gonna press it on after I get the glitter on my fingertips. Today we are using a Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. Now you guys can see it does have some pressed metal colors. That is my favorite part of this palette. Now, to make my eyes stand out more, I'm gonna use this 24K gold color. Grab it on, like I said, with your fingertips and just press it on the center of your eyelid. Now after you've pressed it on, you're going to go back to the same last color that you used on the same brush, and you're going to swap it out. So you're basically using the same colors you last used and blending them in. Now for eyeliner, I do use the e.l.f. one. I'm not picky with eyeliner, but because you do have the tape on, it's going to make your life so much easier. You grab it. You can start it anywhere you want, but you're going to tilt your head back. Once you got your eyeliner tilting or your head tilting back, you're gonna create a line that attaches to the center of your eyelid, just like so. Inner corner of your eye, you're gonna start in here and just attach it to the line you just created. And you just color it in. And like I said, you just attach it and you just start coloring your eyeliner in. Now down here, you just connect it as the tape goes as well. And that is how you get your eyeliner to slay. Get that slaying eyeliner put on. For the eyelashes, I actually use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe. It is black. So once you get it on your eyelash, sorry, technical difficulties. So all you do is you put it on your eyelash, but when you're applying your eyelash, I like to start in the middle. You can start in the outer of your eyelid or inner corner of your eyelid. What I do is I like to put it in the middle in case I put it on too much in my inner corner eye. I can pull it back out, or if I mess up on the outer corner, I can pull it back in while it's still wet. And one tip for eyelashes, I do like to use the tweezers. When I'm tilting my head, as you guys can see, I have this mirror. When I'm tilting my head, I'm actually able to see where I'm applying them to with the tweezers. With your hand, it blocks majority of your view. So, and you're almost done with your look. After you got your face primer on, before you start mixing it, you want to remove the tape. If you press it on earlier too hard, it will hurt. So make sure you don't press it on too hard. And the important thing about primers is, like I said, if you live in harsh weather or anything, it will make your makeup stay on longer, it will stick better, it's just better for your makeup, so don't skip it. Now moving on, so for foundation, I love the Kat Von D Lock-It. For this one, I just put a pea size on my fingertips, and I also use a NYX Control. Alrighty, so once you got that on, so I didn't explain, but I put a couple drops on my face of the NYX Total Control, and like I said, a pieces of this one, and you grab your foundation brush. I love using the Real Techniques foundation brush. You mix it on your face so you're not wasting any products, and the reason why I mixed two colors is because it's supposed to match my neck. None of these have the right tone. And I don't know if I commented this earlier, but like I said, your foundation is supposed to match your neck. Concealer, I love using the Shape Tape by Tarte. All you want to do is what I like to do personally is I pull it out, grab my foundation brush, grab very little, and just start sweeping it under my eye. The reason why you want to do this with concealer is because if you have dark circles or even bags under your eyes, this will conceal it. So you can skip this if you have perfect skin, and I envy you. So afterwards, what I love using is the Airspun face powder. I love using the little pad that comes with it, and yes, it's orange because my foundation is orange. You just pat it on all over your face with I don't know if you guys noticed, but I was struggling to open it, so yeah. But yeah, you pat it on your face just because, oh my goodness, she wants to join us. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to wave her away. But yeah, so you just want to put it on your face, and the reason why you're doing this is because it makes your pores seem a lot smaller, and then also it makes your face seem clear. I don't know why, but that's the magic it does. Next step, I do like to use a sponge and just put it under where I put my concealer and where I tend to crease the most, so my laughing lines, because I do laugh a lot. And while you're baking, you may look like a fool. I'm not gonna lie to you, but nobody's watching, guys, so it's fine. I'm just gonna use, it's from Ulta. It's I got this a long time ago as a Christmas gift. I'm not gonna fully contour today as well, so I'm just gonna grab the blush and I'm just gonna sweep it onto my cheeks. What I do is start from up here above your ear right here. I don't know what to call this. And you're gonna bring it in halfway onto your cheek, and you're just gonna swipe it back and forth again. And the reason why you're only bringing it up halfway is because blush is meant to be on the apple of your cheek, so up here. But I like to use it as contour. It just makes it look nicer. Don't bring it all the way up here to your lip. Now you want to go with, I use this also, it's a small tapered brush by e.l.f. All I'm gonna do is just grab it. I'm using the Urban Decay highlighter in color Sin. So I'm just gonna grab it, and you want to sweep it on a C. And when I say a C form, you're gonna start from right here above your cheekbones, and you're gonna apply it right here and under your eyebrow. swoop it back and forth. Yeah, if you want to take a step further, what you can do is grab a makeup setting spray, or you could also use the Mario Badescu spray. Spray it onto this, dab it on your highlighter, and swipe it. Just continue. I do like to put it on my nose. Dang, that highlighter's popping! Now what you want to do before you finish off is your eyebrows. You can't go looking like this, guys. So this is without any makeup, okay? But what I use is the Anastasia pomade, and I also use the Brow Wiz pen. And last two steps, you just wanna, I finished on my eyebrows. They look so much better with makeup on, but you just wanna swipe it off. So once you've swiped it all off, I'm gonna go back to my setting spray, and you're gonna spray it again like an X form. And you gotta wave it in so you're not wasting any product, guys. And this is the final look. I will be posting photos towards the very end of this video. I just wanna thank you guys for taking your time and watching me. I struggled a little bit, but I will get better within time, guys, I promise. So don't forget to subscribe, like it if you did, honestly, and also leave feedback. Yeah, you guys are amazing. Thank you. Just realizing I never mentioned what face primer I was using, so here it is. It's Too Faced Hangover, and the lip color I also used today was Velvet Matte in color Perfection by Victoria's Secret.